Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and tonight's video is how to reproduce this text part of this logo. I've already done the man, and it was an easy trace, so I'm not going to go over that. But the age-old problem when you type out the text, and your text is 87.936 on both of them. Well, I must have changed that a little bit, but it doesn't matter for the video. But now we need to make this bottom line the same length as the other line, and if you look at 5.981, when we go here, it's the length of this is 5.981. So grab your other text, make sure your ratio is locked, and type in 5.981, and there you go. Now we're going to need to bring it up a little bit, probably holding down the control button, but your logo is matched with that. Now I just noticed right before I started the video that this is not a circle as the font I picked to use, which is really close, but it's not a perfect match, so I need to make these two eyes. This is real easily done, and we're going to go here and we're going to do it on this vista, and we need to go Control K, which is going to break it apart. Control K again, which is going to break up the individual letters. Then, to get this broken apart, you need to go to Object, convert it to Curve, and then go back to Object and break Curve apart, which is Control K. We're going to leave our dot there, but we need a rectangle the same width as our eye. So I'm going to draw a rectangle and come up about there, and you see it's having a hard time staying on the node. So very easily, our width of this is 0.083, so we'll make this 0.083, and now our widths are the same, and we can move it to that corner. Now it looks a little thicker because of the hairline, so we're going to fill it in and then take it away. So now our widths are the same. Now we need to just nudge it up, and in the other one I noticed now we can take our dot away, and I noticed in the other logo that it was even with this bar, so we're going to put an indexing line there. We're going to cursor down to it's about even. There you have a matching logo, pretty easily done. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.